All right, in this video, I want to show you how to install Node.js on either a Mac or a Windows computer. This is the start of a series of videos I'm going to put out on creating an application using Node.js and some other libraries. But first things first, you need to install it. And for a Mac, you have two different options. You can go to the website and download the installer file. That website is nodejs.org/download. But the other option is you can open up Terminal and put in the following commands. First, you need to see if you have Node.js already on your computer. You can just put in node space -v and you'll get a version number. If you don't, you'll get command not found. And at that point, you'll need to install it using brew. This command right here, brew install node. However, if you don't have brew, you might want to check that out by doing brew // version. If you don't get a version, then again, run this command here and that will install Homebrew. Now, I'll make sure these are all in the description, the commands, so no need to write them down. You can just copy and paste. And then once you have brew installed, then you should be able to do this. This is fairly quick install. All of these, actually, for that matter, are fairly quick. This will install in about a minute, maybe less. And then then you can run this and you'll see a version number. All right, so if you have Windows, the best bet is to actually just go to the download page and download the installer files straight from the Node.js website. And then after you're done, you can put in at the command prompt either npm-v or node-v to see if you get a version number. And that's it. You should have Node installed at that point, Node.js that is. In the next video, like I said, I'm going to go over creating a simple application using Node.js, Express, and Vue. All right, thank you.